In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to write YouTube scripts for your videos. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, ChatGPT is free, awesome tool that can help you brainstorm and write quick YouTube video scripts easily. Now, so let's say we want to write a YouTube script maybe about Kenya. So write a YouTube script about, let's say, the best places to visit in Kenya. So let's assume you're coming for a trip and you want to know what are the best places you can visit. So press on enter and there goes your script. So the intro gives you exactly what Kenya is about and then gives you a listicle of the best places to visit in Kenya. Masai Mara National Reserve being number 1, and then we've got Amboseli National Park, and gives you a quick explanation of what goes on around there. And then we've got Lamu Island, if you're looking for a more laid back and cultural experience, etc. Mount Kenya, that's really awesome. And then we've got Mombasa, that's the coastal of Kenya. You see a lot of things, and from this you can see they've just given us about 5 specific places. So what you can do if you feel like you might need some more, let's say I will give it some prompts like add some more places to visit that not many people know about. So let's see what we get. Let's see. So lesser known, equally amazing places to visit in Kenya: Lake Nakuru National Park, Savo West National Park. And probably this can help you save some money if you're coming for a trip. Olpejeta Conservancy, Meru National Park, and then we got Samburu National Reserve. It looks really good. I believe this script looks really good, and you can keep simplifying these the way you want or add some more content. Can you include the charges for each place? So you see, it keeps giving you a couple of things. So for example, you can see the costs, how much it costs, depending on where you're going. Really awesome when you're using this. So you can be able to fill in the gaps in your script, especially when you're writing out content and you want to make sure that you include everything that people need to know about that particular script that you've written or that particular place that you're writing about. And from what I can see, this looks like the normal standard levels or pricing for visitors, maybe foreigners, not maybe for locals. But based on this, you can be able to write a good script, take it apart and then make it your own, and then ensure that once you do your video, you include everything as it is. So it's really awesome that we can get all this, and then you can just build on this. Can you let me know what animals I'll see in the different places? So you can see what you're actually going to see from the different places that you're going to visit. So it's really awesome, because probably a particular animal that you might want to go and see is not probably located in maybe Lamu. You will not find lions in Lamu, but it's in Masai Mara. So it's really awesome if you know what to expect before you get there. And probably somebody watching your video knows or needs to know what they need to expect. So because they may think a place is a national park, but probably a particular animal is not found in that particular national park. But simply put, this is writing a YouTube script super fast using ChatGPT. Really simple, giving it the right commands and prompts for the different things that people may be asking, the type of animals to see, the cost, maybe activities, what fun activities can be done in the different places above. So you can just see what we have here. So Masai Mara. So you can see especially what you can go and do in those different places. So you can see the different things. Really, really awesome. And I feel that giving different prompts can help you write the best YouTube script for your videos using ChatGPT. All you need to do is just keep filling it up, and then I've tested it out on a couple of AI detectors for like plagiarism, and you find out that this content might feel like plagiarized. So ensure that you either reward it or just write your own script based on what you get from this. Some of the prompts will probably give you a better feel and also give you more original content than using just what is given out by ChatGPT. So simply put, and simply from this particular video, that is how you can write YouTube scripts using ChatGPT, and it's really, really awesome. You just need to give a couple of prompts, refine whatever you're doing, including all the nitty-gritties that you want to include. That's it from me. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.